The first thing I want to mention in this Bitcoin update is how well Bitcoin is holding up against the whole macro market conditions right now, which are terrible. For example, yesterday Dow Jones closed down 3.5%. That's massive for the Dow Jones. S&P down over 4%. Nasdaq down nearly 5%. Really a bloodbath out there across the markets. You can see Asia this morning is opened up in Japan 2% down. All this slowdown in economic growth, obviously COVID fears out in China. There's a real sort of scarcity mindset out there, a real fearful mindset out there. And you can see that Bitcoin actually in the last 7 days is up. Ethereum is up. It's been holding the line incredibly well. And hats off to Bitcoin if I can congratulate it like that. But it's holding up really well. I know it's come down an awful lot. Since November, in terms of a drop, we are down 57%, and it could get a lot worse. Those of you that have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos, if you're not subscribed, do so. For example, I posted videos like these a month ago, 18-month bear market recession. Do check out these videos. I'll pop cards up there, but they'll be at the end of the video and in the description down below. I recommend watching those if you're more interested in the macro environment. In this video, we're going to go over the technicals for the midterm, but also the short-term time frame so you can navigate what's going on for the rest of this week, the rest of this month, and slightly beyond. But ultimately, I just wanted to start by saying, well done, Bitcoin. You're holding up really well. The markets are down. They're getting pummeled to pieces. And this support line at $29,000 is holding at the moment. The worrying thing for Bitcoin, if we can't hold this level, if we confirm yet another weekly candle, I mean, look how many weekly candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a first in Bitcoin history. It really is unprecedented. Oh, let's just say it opens up a nice opportunity for a short-term long position, and the value is there right now. In terms of the VPVR, the volume profile, this is where people have bought and sold the most traded volume. You can see if we do lose this level, this $29,000 level, guys, it is not good news because the real volume doesn't come in again until about $20,000. There's a little bit of volume at 22.5, 23,000, but ultimately you will be looking at testing this support line once again. So it's kind of worrying if we miss that level for the bull scenario. Obviously, long term, great, because we can accumulate at these cheaper prices. And of course, if you follow what I do and how I'm trading the market, you can make money when the price goes down by shorting as well. On that note, guys, a very quick mention. Bybit are actually sponsoring my channel for the next few weeks. It may be for a whole month, in fact, but we're doing a deposit double. To enter the competition, check out the details in the video description below. But what you simply need to do, register a Bybit account using this link. You make a deposit up to $1,000, and Bybit and myself will be picking a winner at random at the end of each week. And someone will be having their deposit doubled up to $1,000. So check that out. Bybit's the place to trade, best trading platform in my opinion. So Bitcoin, let's take a look here closely. So yeah, like I said, we're holding up at this $29,000 level. In my opinion, I believe that this offers a good opportunity for a bounce because we are completely oversold. We'd never had 8 weeks in the red. And also in terms of fib levels, I'll just show you this quickly. For those of you that haven't seen before I go on to the smaller time frame target. But if you go swing low back in December 2018, bottom of the bear market, you could say, and what we saw to the top where we came up to about $69,000 in November, what you can see is the golden pocket is now acting as support. Okay, that is a significant support level, and I'm anticipating that we do rally from here. I'm not confident it gets us out the woods, but I am expecting some bullish price moves, and the price levels that I'm looking at, just as a reminder for those that haven't seen, are as follows. So I'm using these levels to map out my profit-taking levels. So we're looking at about $35,000. I believe we do reach that level with a great deal of certainty. $37,500 is likely. The golden pocket is maybe, I would give it around a 50-50 chance. Now, if we continue the rally, we could rally up to about that $41,000 level. You can see how the volume does come in again at the point of control at about 38,000. So In order to go long, if you're not already in a long, I would suggest waiting to see if we can at least get a daily candle back above this level, this $29,500 level. It's at the moment acting as resistance, but on the weekly time frame, we're still very much within anything can happen territory, and we're still well supported by this level. It could change if we get a daily close, and this is when I'll turn bearish down to about the $20,000 mark. If we actually confirm a daily below 28,500 and we see some volume kick up, same's to be said about going up. We need the volume to kick up. There's no volume at the moment. We're just trading sideways. That is when I will basically go on to Bybit. I'll put a short position on. Guys, link down below. You will get a $4,100 bonus as well, depending on how much you deposit on Bybit. And like I said, you can have your deposit doubled. So a bit of fun and some free crypto there potentially to be won as well. So check the link out in the video description down below. Like I said, Bitcoin's holding up really well, but we need to keep a very close eye on it toward the end of the week. Thanks for joining me, guys. See you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.